And then the marketplace, you can see all the different properties that we have. Click on them and you can see pictures. You can message the lister. This is going to send an email, and then to them, not a message through your messages. So this is something different. This is outside of the messages features. That's done on purpose because sometimes this is not somebody that is an active user. So we want to make certain that this inquiry about the property, it gets to them more directly. And a lot of times email is a lot better way to do that. So we just set this up as a email instead of going through the messages. But if you do want to look at them more directly, you can see this listing by, and you can click on that and it'll take you to their profile. So let's go ahead and take a look at list on marketplace first. So if we're in our property and we want to list this property with its information straight to the marketplace, we can click list on marketplace. And it's going to have us fill out some information. What's the description, all that stuff. This is not a real property. This is a test property. I'm not selling it, so we will just kind of, I'm not going to actually list this here, but you know, we'd put whatever we wanted in here. Yeah. Sure. And then hit next. And so this is basically that page that all wholesalers or people that are, you know, putting out, they're just going to put this out, and this can be what generates that marketplace listing like we looked at earlier. And you can save as a draft, or you can save and publish. Once it's published, it goes to the marketplace. And then you'll be able to edit what it is. So for that, let's take a look at this here real fast. When you're taking a look at your listings, you can manage them. And this will allow you to, you know, is it for sale? Is somebody got it under contract? What do you got? So you can let the rest of the marketplace know what's going on.